My dear children, today in this module, we are going to study the important source of funds. The funds can be divided into three. They are classification on the basis of period, classification on the basis of ownership, and classification on the basis of source of generation. Then classification on the basis of period, funds can be divided into three. They are short-term funds, long-term funds, and medium-term funds. In the case of short-term funds, these funds are repayable within 1 year. Then long-term funds means the funds which can be repayable within 1 to 5 years. Then long-term funds means these funds which can be repayable after 5 years. The various sources of funds under the classification of period are trade credit, commercial paper, factoring, leasing, equity shares, preference shares, retained earnings, debentures, etc. The next one is classification on the basis of source of generation. Then there are two types of sources. They are internal sources and external sources. Internal sources are the sources in which funds are raised from within the organization. The examples of internal sources are equity shares and retained earnings. The next one is external sources. External sources are also known as borrowed funds. External sources are the sources which are raised from the outside the organization. The various examples of outside sources are debentures, preference shares, factoring, lease financing, commercial paper, trade credit, bank loan, then loan from or money borrowed from financial institutions, etc. The next one is classification on the basis of ownership. Then on the basis of ownership, they are internal users and external users. Internal users are the users within the organization. Then external users are outside the organizations. The funds raised from external sources are preference share capital, debentures, loan from banks and loan from financial institutions, trade credit, commercial paper, debentures, etc. etc. Then internal sources means equity share capital and preference share capital, equity share capital and retained earnings. In this second module, we are going to study a new term, that is debenture. As we know, debenture is a credit instrument. It is a borrowed fund. Debentures are an important instrument for raising long-term debts. A company can raise funds through issue of debentures. These debentures which bears a fixed rate of interest. The debentures issued by a company is an acknowledgement that the company has borrowed a certain sum of money in which it promises to repay at a future date. Debenture holders are termed as the creditors of the company. Debentures are common securities issued under borrowed funds capital. Debentures are instruments for raising long-term capital. Debentures are called creditorship securities because debenture holders are the creditors of the company. A debenture can be defined as a document or a certificate issued by a company under its seal as acknowledgement of its debts. The holder of the debenture certificate is called debenture holder. Debenture holder is the creditor of the company. The different types of debentures are secured debentures, unsecured debentures, convertible debentures, non-convertible debentures. Now we are going to study the term secured debentures. Debentures which are secured by a charge on the immovable property of the company are known as secured debentures. In case of default by the company, debenture holders can recover money from the mortgaged property. The second type of debenture is unsecured debentures. Such debentures are unsecured and do not carry a charge on the fixed assets of the company. No property is mortgaged with the debenture holders. In case of default, they can file a case in the court but cannot recover by selling an assets of the company. Convertible debentures are the debentures which gets converted into equity shares on the expiry of the fixed period of time. Then the ratio of conversion and the period of conversion is specified at the time of issue of debentures. Another type of debenture is non-convertible debentures. The debentures which do not get converted into equity shares are known as non-convertible debentures. Secured debentures, unsecured debentures, convertible debentures and non-convertible debentures. These are the different types of debentures.